Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lacy Bay Designs. On this tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to operate the eyelet machine and at the same time fix an eyelet in a dress. Okay, so as you can see, I just fixed an eyelet at the back of my dress. So let's get started. Alright, so the materials we'll be needing for this process are our eyelet machine. Okay, that's the handle. Tape measure, soldering iron for melting or for creating holes before inserting the eyelet, tailor's chalk. Okay, so this is the back of the dress. We are about to mark it with our tape measure. Okay, so from the back downwards I marked 0.5. okay, so from the 0.5 downwards I marked 1.5. I actually wanted my eyelet to be very bulky, like very close to each other. When they are close, it becomes very nice and then very beautiful. So as you can see, I am marking 1.5 each on both sides. Okay, so I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. I'll come down half an inch. So from the half an inch downwards, I'll be marking 1.5. So 1.5 downwards again till the waist. Great. So this is what I'll be having after marking out. The next thing to do is to go ahead and then plug my soldering iron to become very heat in order to create the holes at the back of my dress. So as you can see, I am creating the holes at the back of my dress. Please make sure you don't create the holes too big, else when we insert the eyelet and then you are lacing, it can remove. Then you've done a cos-90 job. So it's better you create the eyelet holes very tiny so that when they are small and the eyelet can pass through, you can as well use any sharp object like scissors or something to enable you create another hole. Okay, so as you can see, I am creating the holes, not too big like the eyelet itself. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go ahead and then fix in the eyelet. So let's see how it goes. This is the eyelet. The holes are 10 in all, so I have my 10 gold eyelet. So this is it, and the rings as well. Great. So you can see the eyelet hole has a very big hole than the one I created in the dress. So I used my scissors to make it free, a bit free, not too free. So I'll force the eyelet into it. Afterwards, I'll put the ring on it and then take it to my eyelet machine and then stamp on it. Okay, so we are about to operate or arrange the eyelet machine. Those who don't know how to fix it. Okay, so when you buy the eyelet machine, this is it. You have like dies. This is 10mm dies. Yeah, so we have 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, and then so on. Okay, so we are about to fix it. So you can see where it's how do you call it, where I am scrolling. You screw that place and then insert. You place the handle inside. You make sure the screws enter into all the 3 metals. After it enters, then you screw back like this. Okay, so you press and see whether you have it on point. So as you can see where the screw is, where I just pointed, you make sure that screw goes down before operating it, else you can force to hit it and then it will break your handle. Okay, so you just screw it down, it will go very down. Okay, so this is it. This is the, guys, I am screwing the upper part inside like this. Then this is the lower part where the hole is. That one enters into the eyelet machine hole. Okay, afterwards you hit it to make sure everything is on point like this. Okay, so we are about to create the holes. We are about to fix the eyelet into the dress. So this is it. Where the eyelet is, I'll place that one on the dies like this. Afterwards, I'll put the ring on it like what I have done. Please, when doing, be careful with your hands, else the machine can hit your finger. You will hit it very hard, like 3 or 4 times. This is it. It becomes very stable. Please make sure you don't make the holes too big, else when you're lacing, the eyelet can come off. Okay, so still the holes are very tiny, so I have to use the scissors to pierce through to make it a bit free. Okay, so this is it. I'll be placing the ring onto it and then hit it for like 3 or 4 times. Like I said, be careful with your fingers, else you might hit your finger. This is it, neatly fixed. So I'll be applying it on all the holes I created. Okay, please, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so and then press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. Our next video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the beading machine and then how to bead as well with the beading machine. Please, I sell the eyelet machine myself. I'll be putting my number on the screen, or just check the screen. I have my number on it. Anyone who wants it in Ghana, just give me a call and we will deliver. Location isn't a barrier in Ghana. Okay, so I give this green type of eyelet machine and then 2 different sizes of dies. I give the small and then the medium or the big. Okay, afterwards I'll give you 300 pieces of eyelet. Anyone who is interested in the machine can give me a call or WhatsApp me on that number. So this is it after fixing all the 10 eyelets. It came out so nice, as you can see. Okay, this is a client's work for her graduation. Very beautiful and nice. This is the inner part. Okay, thank you all for watching my videos. Please subscribe and then share to friends as well. Wow, so this is the back view after lacing. And this is the front. I made some beading in the front to make it more beautiful. Okay, see you all in our next video. Bye.